Hi, my name is Penny and welcome to my channel. Tonight we're going to talk about car loans and credit scores. Exactly how much does your credit score affect your car payment? A lot. Let me show you how on some very simple basic principles. So let's say you're looking at a 2023 Toyota Corolla SE, brand new, it's just over $26,000. Really not a bad car. It's kind of nice, and I got a little bit of a trade in. Um, but I'm still going to be financing $25,000 of the car price over 5 years. Okay. But I have fantastic credit. I was offered 2.5% interest, and the monthly payment is only going to be $444. So really, that's within my budget. The total interest paid is only going to be $1,621. So the cost to borrow that money isn't outrageous. I think that's a great deal. All right. Well, what if you have horrible credit? Let's say you have to go to one of those, special car places that they finance everybody. Okay? Let's say they offer you the same car but at 18% interest. Well, your monthly payment is now $635. You're still going to pay over 5 years, and the interest is going to be $13,090. The difference between having great credit and the guy with the bad credit is you're going to pay over $11,000 in interest just because you have bad credit. Okay? The other thing is because your credit is hurting, your insurance for your automobile is going to hurt as well. So make sure that you get your credit score in line with where it needs to be, because all those points where it's down because you missed a medical bill or you're behind on a utility bill, that hurts you and puts less money in your pocket and less options for financing when you have a financial emergency. Okay? Now, let's say you looked at that 2023 Toyota Tundra Platinum 4x4 Platinum Crewman. It is a beautiful truck. This is the truck I would love to buy. It is gorgeous. But I only paid $42,000 for my first house. I do not know about paying $68,000 for a truck. But let's use that as our example to kind of show you what a huge difference on what is pretty cheap truck actually on today's market. So we're going to do a finance a loan of $65,000. They gave us a little bit of money for our old truck, so we're only going to finance the $65,000. I still have good credit. Now, my credit or my payment for my truck is going to be $1,154 a month. That's more than my house payment, but it is what it is. The interest is going to be $4,215. Now, let's say I've made some horrible decisions in the past, budgeting, but you know what? I really want this truck, and I don't care what the interest rate is. I want this truck. Well, if the dealer offers me 18% interest, and now my monthly is $1,651, so you're talking, $500 more a month, but I really want the truck. The interest I'm going to pay at that 18% is $34,000. That's $29,000 in interest difference between the lowest interest rate and the highest interest rate. Okay, look at that. You could actually buy, the guy with the good credit could actually buy the car with the money that he saved by not paying the higher interest. And don't forget, your insurance for the truck at the higher interest is going to be a lot higher too. So this beautiful truck, as much as I want it, will cost easily $2,000 a month the time you figure out your monthly payment and your auto insurance. Plus, you still got to license and tag it and pay property tax. Folks, I know I'm preaching, but credit scores really do affect everything about you. And, once you start having one bad thing or two bad things happen, dig yourself out before it gets to the point where you're only offered an 18% car loan. Ideal would be fantastic to pay cash, but not everybody can pay cash. We still need to drive a decent vehicle because I get it. Single mom, 5 kids, back in the day, I could only afford a $3,000 car with cash and a lot of repairs and a lot of down vehicles and, left on the side of the road and tow truck bills. I get it. But it is possible. Today, I can walk into a dealership and get a 2.5% interest loan on a new vehicle, and 2 out of 3 of my vehicles are paid for. So it is possible. Do not give up. Figure out a way to save money, sell something to get off any debts that are sitting on your credit report. It's not worth the extra that it's going to cost you. Bottom line, credit scores affect you a lot. So please reach out, let's listen to these videos, see if there's anything that helps you. I'm going to be coming out with some budgeting and money saving tip videos next. Hopefully they'll help you and get you on track. Love to hear from you. Comment below, like and subscribe if it's helpful. And thanks for watching. You guys have a great night. Thanks.